Hi guys, it's a girl in the kitchen today and I'm gonna be cooking up something. So let me wash my hands. So I'll be cooking some cow foot and some chicken, you know what I'm saying? So let me fix it. I get so much people asking me if I can cook. That's not cool, guys. That's not cool. Hot girl can't cook so.
Think you're there for your pretty looks, you want live on fast food and done man bang book. Tell us on a steam. Girl, better can't cook. Think you're there for your pretty look, you want live a restaurant and come done man bang book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause you and them no look, you better cook. Think you're there for your.
Alright, so guys, see here. I have my scallion, my onion, my sweet pepper, my ginger, and my garlic. So I'm gonna blend my seasoning.
Boil 2 banana, steam 2 fish head. You mad, but you want sausage and egg. Big man no wanna bully beef and bread. First thing, make me get the fingernail clip. Stick, tall thing and I ready it was dumpling.
I'm showing me right here, so Shani Coom YouTube and subscribe right now, some good friend channel. Hear that? Be excited over here.
One in the kitchen, cause you and them no look. Cook, think you're there for your pretty look, you want live a restaurant and come done man bang book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause you and them no look. Have some girl way past them teen. Big fatty but lip and sardine. Can't even cook some comfort and bean, but them ready. Did you never know ice cream, Chevrine? How smell so green? I must say some last week food you was steam. I mean, I couldn't the cabbage smell so mean. It's a big stone you want to break with that dream. You better can't cook. Think you're there for your pretty looks, you want live on fast food and done man bang book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause your hand them no look. Cook, think you're there for.
Chicken is hot right now. So I'm gonna put the sauce on it. So this sauce I actually made from scratch. So I'm gonna put my sauce in.
Big son them on in box food no look proper. And she lie, food dry. But she got buy it for papa. Papa ain't my shopper. Them man they know about them sneak fish and caca. Food no linger, curry pan finger. Hey girl, see you. Girl, they better can't cook. Think you there for your pretty look, you want live a restaurant and come done man bang book. Book, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause you and them no look, you better cook. Think you there for your cute looks, you want live a restaurant and come done man bang book. Cook.